Hello guys again, I'm Sanjimin Impante. Sanjimin Impante Labanes, and if you guys don't know me, I'm probably gonna be announcing my plans and some stuff like that, and my things that I will do in my YouTube account. So basically, the first thing I'm gonna do is create some other social media accounts. I already created YouTube, which you guys are watching on right now, and I also finished Facebook. Okay, wait lang. Okay, I'm a bit shy. I already finished Facebook, but there's also other social media accounts that I also finish. Maybe Instagram, TikTok, no? And I will also post videos on there. Maybe I will also announce you guys my my journey right now. I have not been no 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 nothing for 2 days. No, not for 2 days. You guys know that because you guys are mature. So basically, I have not been nothing for 2 days, which is great because I can even last for about 1 day or even 1.5 day. So basically, we also will I will also post video maybe 3 or 4 times a week or 2 times a week because video planning is gonna be hard, bro. Or video planning is hard, you know. Also run out of ideas, that will entertain you guys. It's really hard to make an audience without any video plans. So I had to create that. Oh, it got dimmer. Do you guys even know this? I don't know what this is called, but it's too shiny. But it's literally like connected with a pole, some stuff like that. Comment down below, guys. What the heck even is this? Like, why the heck it shut down every time? So that's my announcement. And also, uh, my mother tomorrow is gonna be going to to the place where my grandfather lived, my uncle lived, and some of his family members, and they will just like fix this. Okay, it got dimmer again. Got dimmer again. Okay, okay, goods. So basically, my mother will also fix this motorcycle. We will check it up, and we'll got we'll got the SIM card, which it has a number in it, which I could use to make like thumbnails and stuff like that. So maybe that's all my announcement because I don't have anything to announce more. So I will go eat right now, guys. So goodbye, guys. So don't forget to like and subscribe the video and share it to your family members and stuff like that. So guys, that's the end of the video.